Irrigation. The technique of providing water to crops in the fields by means of canals, reservoirs, wells and tube wells, etc. is called irrigation. Irrigation is important for the following reasons: supply of essential elements, germination of seeds, growth, absorption of nutrients. The design, equipment and technique of replenishing the soil water deficit by applying irrigation water is known as irrigation system. There are 4 types of irrigation systems. Wells are made to exploit groundwater. They are of 2 types, that is, dug wells and tube wells. In dug wells, water accumulates due to available groundwater table. Canals are connected to reservoirs or rivers to supply water. Canal is divided into sub-canals and distributaries. River lift systems. In areas where canal flow is insufficient or irregular due to inadequate reservoir release, the lift system is more rational. Water is directly drawn from the rivers for supplementing irrigation in areas close to rivers. Tanks are small storage reservoirs which intercept and store the runoff of smaller catchment areas.